Hi, I'm Dan Quinn, a project engineer with NewAge Industries in Vanapure, and I want to share some information about one of our NewAge product lines, Newloc fittings. Newloc fittings are a push-to-connect fitting that are really easy to install, no tools are required, and they can also be disconnected and reconnected. They come in both acetal and brass configurations, and they work on rigid and semi-rigid tubing, so typically tubing with a short D hardness value like nylon, polypropylene, and polyethylene. They come in multiple configurations like elbows, T's, straight connectors, and they even come in multiple port fittings too, like 3- and 4-way connectors. Applications include pneumatic control, food and beverage lines, and also chemical transfer and potable water lines. Newloc acetal fittings are lightweight and their ingredients meet FDA requirements. They are NSF 51 and 61 listed and available in both English and metric sizes that are color-coded for simplicity. English sizes are gray while metric sizes are black. These are also genuine John Guest brand fittings. Optional collet covers are available with acetal Newloc fittings to prevent accidental disconnection. Newloc brass fittings have higher temperature and pressure ratings than acetal and are very durable. Newloc fittings come with 3 standard components: the body, the collet, and the O-ring. So to install, you just cut a clean 90 degrees across the tubing, insert the tubing into the collet, and then pull out to make sure that the connection is secure. To disconnect, just push the collet back in, pull the tubing out and remove. Constant connection and disconnection could cause ridges in the tubing wall that could compromise the integrity of your seal. So if this sounds like your application, you might have to make a few clean cuts to ensure that your connection stays secure. If you have any questions or need help deciding what tubing or fitting works for your application, feel free to give us a call or click on the Contact Us tab on our website. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.